we have another question from probability, and the notations and all those parts, I think I have seen this first time in Jee Advanced papers. I don't remember random variable term being used uh, in the curriculum when I was studying. Regardless, let's start. We are given that the points x and the probability of x being x lies in a straight line in the xy plane for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's non-zero for all the other parts. It's 0 for all the other values of x in R. Okay, so let that line be y equals to mx plus c, then 0 comma p0, 1 comma p1, 2 comma p2, 3 comma p3, and 4 comma p4 all lie on this straight line. Okay, so p0 is c, p1 is m plus c, p2 is 2m plus c, p3 is 3m plus c, this is 4m plus c. And so as these are the only possible values that x can attain, that means the sum of these probabilities, which is p0, p1, p2, p3 and p4 should be 1, because that's how probability works. The sum of all possible values, the sum of the probabilities of all the possible outcomes should be 1. So c plus m plus c plus and blah 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 should be equals to 1. So this should be equals to 1, and it is equals to 5c plus 10m. So this is first equation that we get. The second we have is the mean of x is 5, 2. So mean is sigma x px equals to x, which is sigma of, which is summed over all the possible values of these 5 elements, 5, because all the others have 0 probability. So this becomes 0 into p0, which is 0, plus 1 into p1, which is m plus c, plus 2 into p2, which gives 2 into 2m plus c, 2 3m plus c, plus 4 into 4m plus c. This is 5 by 2, 5 by 2, which is c plus 2c is 3c plus 3c 6c plus 4c 10c plus m plus 4m is 5m plus 14m plus 16 30m equals to 5 by 2. So using this equation and this equation, we get 10c plus 20m equals to 2 by doubling this equation, equation 1. So subtracting this equation from this, we get 10m equals to half, which gives us m equals to 1 by 20, which gives us c equals to 1 by 10. Okay, we need to find the variance of x. So variance of x is sigma px equals to x into x minus x bar squared. First, let's find all the probabilities. P0 is 1 by 10. P1 is 3 by 20. This is 2 by 20. 3 by 20. This is 4 by 20. This is 5 by 20. And this is 6 by 20. We need to find this. So this becomes 2 by 20 into 0 minus 5 by 2 squared plus 3 by 20. 1 minus 5 by 2 squared to 2 minus 5 by 2 squared plus 5 by 20 into 3 minus 5 by 2 squared plus 6 by 20 into 4 minus 5 by 2 squared. This is 50 upon 80 plus 1 minus 5 by 2 is minus 3 by 2. So 9 becomes 27 upon 80. This is 2 minus 5 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. So this is 4 by 80. This is again 5 by 80. And this is 8 minus 5 is 3 by 2. So this is 54 by 80. Which is 50 plus 27, 77 plus 9, 86, 90, 140 by 80 is equals to 14 by 8. This into 24 is 14 by 8 into 24, 52. No, 42. So the answer is 42.